This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix contact photo and poster disabled on iPhone iOS 17. So if you're facing this issue, follow these simple steps. Go to your iPhone settings. If you sign out of your Apple ID, to solve this issue, you have to sign into your Apple ID here. So tap on sign into your iPhone. Enter here your Apple ID and your password. After signing into your Apple ID, scroll down and tap on messages. And here tap on share name and photo and enable name and photo sharing. Tap on share automatically and select contacts only. Tap on done. Now open your phone or contact app, and as you can see, the contact photo and poster is now enabled. So that's how we can fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.